If you're a medical sales representative, your competition, they really don't need your help. Yet so many medical reps that I talk to and that I observe, they are helping their competition in a big way with one particular thing. Want to know what it is? Stick around. Hello, my friends. This is Mace Haroff. I want to welcome you to the Medical Sales Channel, which is dedicated to helping you to sell more in the medical device, biotechnology, pharmaceutical, and life science world. So, what is the one thing that so many reps do to help their competition, especially now, especially in these change selling times? Want to know what it is? Well, I'm going to tell you what it is. It is sales planning. And specifically, a lack of sales planning. Now, failing to plan each sales contact or sales call in advance is wasting time in advance. Failing to plan is wasting time in advance. Because do you ever feel like when you make a sales call and it goes nowhere? In fact, a lot of times, all you do is you just sort of agitate or tick off the customer, and then you walk out of there and you go, well, man, that was a waste of time. You feel like you wasted your time, you wasted their time, and you probably did. Most medical reps that I have ridden along with are doing nothing more than wasting their customers' time. And the reason is because they are not having relevant, personalized conversations. And in this age of data, this is inexcusable. At the very least, when you're making a sales call, check out the customer or the account's website. They probably have one. You might even want to take a peek at their social media. And let's be honest, you're probably spending hours a day, some of you, not all of you, looking at Twitter and Facebook and YouTube. If you're using it for something like this is a good use of your time because you're learning, you're improving your selling ability, so it is good. But if you're watching crazy cat videos on YouTube, not so much, not a good use of your time. You're used to social media. Check out your customers on social media. What are they saying about themselves? What's going on in their lives? How can you make this relevant? How can you connect what it is that you sell to who they are, to what they're doing, to what they're feeling, what they're saying? Plan out your calls. Understand your customers' problems at a deep level. And you should. If you are selling to the same type of customers over and over again, hopefully you're asking questions about what's going on in their world. What are they concerned about? What are their patients experiencing? What are the specific challenges that they have to deal with now, which they didn't have to deal with a year ago? Understand your customers. But by all means, put in a few minutes worth of work to do some planning before you make the call, because if you don't, all you're doing is helping your competition. You're helping them, number one, by not being as effective as you could be and taking business from your competition. And number two, what you're doing is you're probably irritating your customers by just being focused on the sale instead of being focused on them. And when you do that, if your competition is more focused on them than you are, then all you're doing is helping your competition. Sell effectively. If you need help selling effectively, I suggest you go to your sales manager, maybe another salesperson, or if you want to do this on your own, then check out Medical Sales Academy at medicalsalesacademy.com. Medical Sales Academy is my online 24/7, 365 training and support platform for medical sales professionals where you have access to ask questions every day, to ask for advice on what you should do in specific sales situations. And at no time has that been more valuable than right now by selling in a changed world. Check out Medical Sales Academy at medicalsalesacademy.com. And if you are watching this video on YouTube and you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you're watching it somewhere else, well, you still got the information. That's okay. But please let us know what we can do, and by us, I mean me, to help you moving forward. So thanks for spending some of your precious time with me. I know that given your druthers, you'd rather be face-to-face with a stakeholder decision maker in your account making a sale. So here's your chance to go and do that now, especially with what you just learned. Why are you still here? Go sell something. This is Mace Har for the Medical Sales Channel. I look forward to speaking to you again soon in the near future. Until then, take care. Bye for now.